What are fuel cells? Remember batteries. Those trusty power packs that keep our phones buzzing and lights shining. Well, meet their cool cousin, the fuel cell. It's like a battery on steroids, generating electricity in a whole new way. But before you picture futuristic robots powered by these magic boxes, let's unravel the mystery of fuel cells. Imagine a tiny factory inside your gadget. Fuel, like hydrogen, think super clean gas, enters this factory one door, the anode. Oxygen from the air walks in the other door, the cathode. They meet in the middle, not to have tea, but to undergo a chemical dance fueled by magic ingredients called catalysts. This dance releases little packets of energy called electrons, who go running through a playground we call a circuit, lighting up your phone or powering your scooter. But unlike batteries, the party never ends. As long as you keep feeding the factory fuel and oxygen, your device keeps humming. Think of it like a bottomless water bottle for electricity, no recharging needed. Plus, the only waste product is water vapor, making fuel cells super eco-friendly. But wait, there's more. Fuel cells aren't picky eaters. They can munch on various fuels, including hydrogen, methanol, even natural gas. This makes them incredibly versatile, powering everything from cars and buses to laptops and even homes. Fuel cell cars, imagine zipping around town in a car that only drinks water as exhaust. No more gas stations, just a quick hydrogen refill, and you are good to go. Plus, these cars are whisper quiet, making traffic jams a lot less stressful. Portable powerhouse, ditch the bulky generator for camping trips. A tiny fuel cell can power your lights, music, and even charge your devices, without disturbing the peace with engine noise. Off-grid energy, fuel cells can bring electricity to remote villages or disaster-struck areas, providing clean power where traditional grids can't reach. Of course, fuel cells aren't perfect yet. Hydrogen infrastructure needs more development, and other fuels can produce some emissions. But the research is booming, and who knows, maybe your next phone will run on a mini fuel cell. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of fuel cells. They are not just sci-fi dreams anymore, but real engines of change. With their clean energy and endless possibilities, fuel cells are paving the way for a greener, more electrifying future, one little power dance at a time. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg.